This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the battery voltage matches the controller rating. Mismatches will kill components. Once confirmed, disconnect the battery and place it aside so you have zero power. You then identify harness connectors, motor phase, hall sensor, throttle, pass, brakes, and display. Make sure cable colors and pin counts align. This is how you avoid reversed phases or shorting. Finally, loosely route cables where they'll exit the frame so you can reach them without straining the wires. Now you connect the motor phases and hall sensor. Match a /B/C and the 5 hall wires by color or pin diagram. This prevents mistimed commutation and vibration. Next, plug in the throttle and PAS and attach brake cut wires so the controller can cut motor power when braking. Then attach main power, battery positive and negative to the controller's XD60 or similar connector, and a solid ground. Once done, zip tie loose cables and double-check firm seating. Loose pins are the most common failure. You finish by powering up for the first time with the wheel off the ground and the bike unloaded. This reveals noise, miscommutation, or overheating safely. Make sure the display initializes and the controller LEDs show normal status. Read any error codes and note voltages with a multimeter. If the motor hums or steps, swap hall connector order or reverse 2-phase wires to correct timing. Finally, if problems persist, inspect grounds and connector pins. Poor contact is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.